Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna create trending flower tray for decoration ideas. Let's go. Take a cardboard, round shape, apply Fevicol, take a cardboard, cut into petal shape. I'm using 5 petals, paste one by one. Stick together like this, and then take a thin chart or a thin cardboard, cover it like this. For petals also I am using a chart. Cover thin chart like this. Repeat the process for next petals. Then take a gold foil, cover it like this. Then take flowers. You can use any flower. Flower tray you can use it any decoration ideas. You can place it anywhere. I'm using red flower. White flower, yellow flower, purple flower, now flower tray is ready. You can use for any festivals or wedding engagement decoration ideas. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.